Let's share some of our hacks. First, this battery-powered Milwaukee self-priming transfer pump. This is a must in our toolkits. Transfer even thick glycol or dirty gray water with this pump. It comes with pre-installed 3/4 garden hose connection, a rubber impeller so does not get affected if it freezes. One of the most common uses for us it to half the time to drain down a water heater. This drops the tank so we can get to work as soon as possible. Check out the description for links to purchase. Next up, turn the water off without a valve. If you find yourself unable to control a water line with an isolation valve, make a pipe squeeze. You can make them large for larger pipes. Here, this is one of our small diameter squeezes. Make from 1/2 black iron pipe, 3/8 threaded rod and nuts. Simply slide over the plastic pipe and tighten down. This works for almost all plastic water lines. The pipe will come back to its original shape with time and water pressure. The rounded black iron pipes do not puncture or damage the lines. Let's remove a shark bite fitting without the removal tool. Everyone has a crescent wrench close by. Snug up to the pipe, then squeeze the shark bite ring to remove. Cut with your hole saw faster, mark the hole with the saw, then drill holes with a regular drill bit. This allows the sawdust to be removed better and provides less resistance to the saw. Silicone gun lost or broken? I am sure you have a hammer close by. Turn the hammer around using the shaft to push evenly on the silicone to squeeze it out. Need to drill to a specific depth? Simply use some tape to give a clear depth marker. Removing your toilet, do it without spills. Get a package of Oatly Liquilock. It solidifies the water for a no spill removal. If you're doing anything with O-rings, remember to lubricate them with some grease. It prevents tears and allows easier removal down the road. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.